Hello, everybody. Welcome to Makynzee's Animal Frenzy. The animal we're going to learn about today is called the capybara. We're going to answer 8 questions about it. Now, let us introduce our special guest, Matthew.
Hello, everyone, and thank you, Makynzee, for having me on today.
Yes, Matthew. Today, we are going to answer 8 questions about the capybara, and I wondered if you could help us.
Yeah.
The first question we're going to learn about is the capybara's diet, what they eat.
Oh, that's a great question. You know, capybaras, they have these big teeth that they love to eat squirrels and raccoons and different animals like that.
Okay, that's interesting. But I've done research and I've actually learned that capybaras are herbivores and they use their long, sharp teeth for grazing on grass and water plants. An adult capybara can eat 6 to 8 pounds of grass per day during the dry season. When grasses and water plants dry up, a capybara will eat reeds, grains, melons, and squashes.
Oh, well, okay.
Yes. The next question is the habitat where the capybaras live.
Oh, that's an easy one. Capybaras, they love water. They actually build little dams like beavers do. You know, they kind of huddle in there and...
Yeah, I'm not really sure that's right because capybaras are found in Panama, Colombia, Venezuela, Guinea, Peru, Brazil, Paraguay, Northeast Argentina, and Uruguay. They're semi-aquatic and will spend most of their time in dense vegetation around rivers, lakes, and ponds, and marshes and swamps. So I'm pretty sure they don't exactly live on the water, but near it.
Oh, okay.
Well, the third question is the behavior, how they act.
Oh, these animals are crazy. They stay up all night. They stay up all day. They're running around and playing and frolicking. They're crazy little critters.
Well, considering to my research, capybaras are social animals and live in groups at least of 10 to 40 individuals. They can form larger groups during the dry season. Group living is important for survival because it provides protection from predators to access for grazing areas and a chance to find a mate.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Well, the fourth question is enemies. What are their predators?
Oh, the capybaras, they are the apex predator. Everyone else is afraid of the capybaras. Even when the lions see them out in Africa, they see the capybaras coming and they're running back to their den. They're the most ferocious animal there is.
Well, for one, I don't think capybaras live in Africa. And two, because being aware of the top predators that pose a threat to capybaras is crucial for the protection. Gaining knowledge about the behaviors and habits of these dangerous predators is a must to safeguard capybaras from potential harm. Capybara natural predators include jaguars, caimanas, which is a type of alligator, green echidnas, pumas, ocelots, birds of prey, crab-eating foxes, and mostly humans that hunt them.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
So they're not the apex predator?
No.
Wow. Okay.
And the fifth question, extinction. Capybaras are not considered a threatened species. Their population is stable throughout most of their South American range, though in some areas hunting has reduced their numbers.
You know, capybaras, they are everywhere then, aren't they?
Well, just South America.
Oh, yes, of course.
The sixth question is physical features.
Oh, capybaras, they have these big fangs, long teeth, huge donkey-like ears. Oh, and you can't forget their ferocious antlers. You know, they go all through the jungles.
Well, capybaras are short-haired brownish rodents with blunt snouts, short legs, small ears, and almost no tail.
Yeah, like I said, small tail, no tail.
And they're shy associate in groups along the banks of lakes and rivers. So
no jungles.
No, not really. And 7, the life cycle.
Oh, capybaras, they'll live for 150 years. They just keep going and going. They're like an Energizer bunny.
Well, to do my research, the capybara life cycle is quite simple. The first stage is a baby or a pup. The second stage is juvenile, which is really the second stage, which is the middle. The third and final stage is an adult, where they are full grown.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Yeah. And the last question is the lifespan.
Lifespan. Oh, these critters are amazing at their ability to keep on going, even when all of these other predators are trying to get them down.
Well, the lifespan of a capybara in the wild is around 10 years, but mostly do not live mostly longer than 4 years due to predators. In captivity or as pets, the capybara live up to 12 years.
Wow. Well, I've learned a lot today about the capybara that I thought I knew, but I guess I didn't.
Yes, please join us sometime else on Kinsey's Animal Frenzies. Hope you had fun and learned a lot. Bye!